Hey everyone, I had an issue in my BMW-6 Series, and what happened, sometimes, when you try to start in the morning, it doesn't work, and doesn't start, and you can hear any click, and what happened, the second thing is when you drive, sometimes when it turn on in the middle of the road, you see like flashing, and the car want to stop, and when you stop the car for a few minutes, you can start it again, and you can keep going. After when I check online, it says there is actually I changed the alternator. I thought it's alternator. I spent like almost $400 for alternator, but it's not alternator. The issue there is two things. Is BMW-6 series. There is two things you can check. The first one, let's check in the battery in the back. There is one, all the fuses. This one, okay. This one. If the car doesn't stop in the middle of the road, what you can do, and doesn't start in the morning, first of all, you can change this. You can go to eBay. It costs $18, $20 maximum. Okay, and take it back. Yeah, after when I check this, it's safe, it doesn't start. And when I check online again, there is another thing you have to do it. This box, you can find it in eBay. I got it from eBay. It cost maybe $40, $50, it depends, but you have to check first. It's for 6 series BMW. For BMW, actually, there is two places you have to check for the fuses. There is the right and the left side. In my BMW-6 series, it's in the left side. First of all, you have to take the filter out. It's very easy. There is two clicks here. If you see, there is clicks here. Take it off. It's very easy. The second thing is you have to take this off. In the bottom. First of all, you have to take this off first. This one, it just one click. Use screwdriver to take it off. Just move it left and right, and until when it comes out. And you take this off too. There is small screw for this here. You take it off. It's here. You can take it. It should be here. You just take it off, just one screw. Okay, and take it nicely. And now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 screw. You take it off, and actually, when you take this off, before you take this off, there is here screw. You have to take one and one. It's plastic screw. Take it off before you take this off. Let's go back to this. Now you just take this off. It's very easy. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screw. When you take it off, it's very easy. Now our box is on the left side here. Okay, now it's better, like what I did now. If you have a white tape with marker, you can put it by number. Like this is the first cable, second cable, third cable, 4 and 5th cables. If you check here, there is 5 plugs. It comes like that. Now, before you take it off, there is 2 screws here, like 2 plastic holders. You can, you know, just move it left and right, this side too, and you know, the box left and right nicely, and everything good. Don't spend your money at dealership, or because it take too much time and money, and just diagnostic it costs like almost $200, maybe $300, and you know, to find the issue. And the issue, you know, BMW knows that, but just, you know, to charge you more, they do that. And good luck.